Top 5 reasons your car won't start. Nothing's more frustrating than turning the key and getting nothing.
Here are the top 5 reasons your car won't start and how to fix them.
Number 1. Dead battery. Try jump starting with jumper cables. Number 2. Faulty starter. Listen for a clicking sound when turning the key. Number 3. Bad ignition switch. Your dashboard lights might not come on. Number 4. Empty fuel tank. It happens to the best of us. And number 5. A failed alternator. If your battery dies again quickly after a jump, this might be the culprit. Which issue are you facing? Let us know in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fix.